Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss some of the top questions that were asked in the Infosys interview. So our first question is, what are implicit and explicit waits in Selenium? The main function of implicit wait is to tell the WebDriver to wait for some time before throwing a no such element exception. Implicit waits are set for the entire session of the WebDriver. However, they can potentially lead to longer text execution times, especially if elements are not present. Explicit waits are more sophisticated and flexible than implicit waits. They allow your test to halt execution until a certain condition is met. These conditions can be customized but often involve waiting for an element to become visible, clickable, or to contain a specific text. How would you handle alert pop-ups in Selenium? Handling alert pop-ups in Selenium can be efficiently managed by using the alert interface provided by Selenium WebDriver. First, you need to switch the WebDriver's context to the alert pop-up as it is not the part of the main HTML page. You can do this with the switch_to.alert method, which returns an instance of the alert interface, representing the active alert on the page. Once you have the alert object, you can perform various actions. Selenium WebDriver provides four methods to handle the alert depending on the alert types. The first one is accept the alert. It is used to click the OK button or to accept the alert. The next one is dismiss the alert. To click the cancel button or to close the alert, we can use this. Our next one is get alert text. Get alert text is used to get the text which gets displayed on the alert pop-up, which can be useful for the assertion or to ensure that the correct message is displayed. And our last one is send keys. In case the alert is a prompt that allows for input, you can type into it. The next question is, what is the difference between a status code 401 and 402? A 401 status code is an HTTP response that indicates a client request has not been completed because it lacks valid authentication credentials. The 402 status code is typically used in situations where the server requires payment before granting access to the content or the service. For example, Shopify returns this code when there is a problem with the payment, such as a card being declined. What is serialization and deserialization? Serialization and deserializations are fundamental concepts in software development. These processes allow complex data structures to be converted into a format that can be easily stored or transmitted and then reconstructed back into the original form. What is the difference between string and string buffer? Mutability, length, concatenation speed, efficiency, thread safety, and hash code. These are some of the differences between the string and string buffer. What keyword is used to fetch the URL of the current web page? In Selenium WebDriver using the Java, the keyword used to fetch the URL of the current web page is getCurrentURL. This method returns a string representing the URL page currently loaded in the browser. What is the difference between relative and absolute XPath? Absolute XPath starts from the root of the HTML document and specifies the complete path of the element. Absolute XPath starts with the root node and forward slash. Absolute XPath identify elements very fast. However, if any other tag is added or removed in between, then this path will no longer work. Relative XPath starts from a specific element and navigates through the DOM hierarchy to locate the desired element. Relative XPath starts from the node of your choice. Relative XPath are written directly from the web element using the web element attribute. It is better for testing because it won't be affected by the architectural changes to the website. So that was all for today. Thank you for watching the video. Keep learning and keep growing.